Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is getting to know plants. Now, we all are knowing about plants. We all know the different parts of the plants, and the different parts are stem, branches, roots, leaves, flowers. All these are the different parts of the plant. But the nature of all these are different in different types of plants. Some have green stems, tender. Some have thick but hard stem. Some having thin but hard stems. So, due to these differences, there is difference in the pattern of leaves also. Some are flowering plants, some are non-flowering plants. We also notice that branches grow in some plants close to the ground or higher up on the stems, है ना? So all these are different patterns we see in different types of plants. Based on these characters, most plants are classified into three types, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. These are classified into three types, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. Plants with green and tender stems. Green and tender. Tender means soft, not rough, not hard. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short. They are usually which kind? Type? They are usually short and may not have many branches. We all see such kind of plants around us. We all see such kind of plants around us, and we can easily classify them as shrubs. These examples of these short plants are wheat, paddy, cabbage, tomato. You can also identify them as herbs just by noticing the above characteristic, that is their stem is green, it is tender, they are short and may not having many branches. The second type is, we can see some plants having the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Their height is larger than herbs but shorter than the big trees. Such plants are called shrubs. What is the difference? Stem branching near the base. Stem is hard, not green, not tender. It is hard but not very thick. It is not very thick. So, such plants are shrubs. Examples are crotons, lemon, rose. Even tulsi comes under this. Tulsi, jasmine, bougainvillea, china rose, pomegranate, henna. You can quote many other examples with such an characteristics. The other one is trees. We all know trees. Plants which are very tall have hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. What are the characteristics? Plants which are very tall and have hard and thick stem, brown color. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground, and such plants are called trees. Mango, neem, guava, many, है ना, ऑल दीज आर ट्रीज. जो सबसे बड़े वाले जो हैं वो पेड़ है ना, जो बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे हैं, जिनकी जो स्टेम्स है वो भी बहुत थिक हैं, हार्ड है ना, ब्रांचेस इन द अपर पार्ट. तो इसके और भी एग्जाम्पल्स आपको भी कोड करने. नाउ टू अदर टाइप्स आर देयर, क्रीपर्स एंड क्लाइंबर्स. क्रीपर, क्रीप करने वाले. प्लांट्स विद वीक स्टेम्स, जिनकी स्टेम बहुत वीक होती है, इतनी वीक होती है दैट कैन नॉट स्टैंड अपराइट, वो सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकते. एंड स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड इज कॉल्ड अ क्रीपर. जो ग्राउंड पर ही फैलते हैं, जिनकी लंबाई कैसे आड़े में ही बढ़ती है, हॉरिजॉन्टली बढ़ती है, वर्टिकली नहीं बढ़ती, दैट आर क्रीपर्स. अ क्रीपर प्लांट ग्रोज अलॉन्ग द ग्राउंड or the other surfaces by extending long shoots or branches. Example of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, strawberry. These all are examples of creepers. Now comes the climbers, a plant having thin, long and weak stem. Thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright. ये भी सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकती है, but rapidly climbs up a neighboring support or a tree. और लेकिन ये क्लाइंब कर जाती है दूसरे सपोर्ट के साथ, ये ऊपर बेल जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं बेल, ये दूसरे नेबरिंग सपोर्ट के साथ क्लाइंब करके ऊपर चढ़ जाती है. स्टैंड अपराइट बट रैपिड, इट कैन नॉट स्टैंड अपराइट ऑन इट्स ओन बट रैपिडली क्लाइंब्स अप अ नेबरिंग सपोर्ट और अ ट्री इज कॉल्ड अ क्लाइंबर. अब ये क्लाइंबर के पास कुछ स्पेशल ऑर्गन होता है फॉर क्लाइंबिंग. अ क्लाइंबर प्लांट हैज़ स्पेशल ऑर्गन फॉर क्लाइंबिंग कॉल्ड टेंड्रिल्स. क्या कहते हैं उसको? टेंड्रिल. क्या कहते हैं? टेंड्रिल. The tendrils of climber plant bind themselves around any neighboring object. ये tendril जो है वो bind करते हैं अपने आप को around any neighboring object and helps the plant to climb up. Example of these are sweet potato, that is petha, bitter gourd, karela, bottle ground, lauki, grapevine, passion flower, money plant. We all are very familiar with money plants. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.